Whenever you're having symptoms, you're trying to figure out what is causing it. And it's not in your blood work results. It's also not in your brain scan. Instead, you can find the reason behind your fatigue, your pain, and all the other symptoms right here, right now in your body. So let's do that, shall we? You have been carrying a very heavy backpack for almost the entirety of your life. And because of it, you have adjusted your posture. You canceled plans. And now maybe you can't even work anymore. And when you ask people, they're not seeing the backpack. But it's there and it's in the background controlling your nervous system. It's not a metaphor. It's actually real. You have been carrying all the emotional load, all the stress of your entire life in your upper body right now. And we can find that. And we can do that with a simple 3-step body check-in in which we can address the stress. Not the secondary stress, but the stress behind your current symptoms. Let's no longer wait with this, because waiting is frustrating. Every moment of every day that you don't do this, you have to address it later. So let's address the stress. Step number 1 is to notice your body. It's to arrive in the present moment, to connect with your body, and maybe you can even close your eyes and connect with your body via your breath. Just notice it, okay? Don't change it. Slowly breathe through your upper body. Notice how it feels. And you can do that right now. Now, when you're always distracting yourself or fighting anything like your symptoms, you can get very wired. So the first step is to gently connect with the body, and that will, in the beginning, be uncomfortable. But later ahead, it will calm you down just a little bit. Enough to go to step number 2, in which you notice if there is anything in particular that catches your attention along the line of breathing. Maybe you feel something squeezing in your stomach, something heavy in your belly, maybe some turmoil in your chest, or maybe a potato in your throat. Do you already feel this? Is there anything that catches your attention? When I discovered this, I had to switch everything around because I usually always focused on the symptoms because they were so extreme. They were screaming and yelling, and I listened to it. And that was a mistake. Instead, over time, you start to become aware of the exact thing behind your symptoms in your upper body. Maybe it feels very small, but the more you concentrate on it, the bigger it gets. And when you have found it, can you put your hands on it? Breathe through it. And then in step number 3, you really concentrate on it. Deep focus. Not on your symptoms, because they can be called a distraction in a way. Right here. And maybe when you have POTS, you already feel that there is something in your heart. Maybe you feel it in your stomach. Put your hand on it and know that this is probably, not 100% certain, the exact stressor behind your symptoms. And when you do this long enough, the mind-body symptoms that are there, as well as a protection mechanism, like the fatigue and the pain, they probably start increasing. It's like your body screaming, no, don't go there. But waiting is frustrating. So we have to address the stress, one way or another. And if you're ready to go deeper, then I recommend this video in which we do the release process together. And if you would like to know more about healing and how to do it, then I made this video where I explain everything about healing from A to Z. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.